Hi guys, welcome back to Florida Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to make 2 different hot sauces using peppers that I preserved from last year's garden harvest. Let's go. So the first step is to de-stem all of your peppers. Some people like to also de-seed these, but I like spice, so I keep them in. Now these peppers are from my garden from last year. These are cayenne here, and then these are Tabasco. And I just left them in the fridge to kind of naturally dry out, but you can absolutely use fresh peppers. Then I just measured them to see how many cups of peppers I had, and I had 2 cups of each, and that'll just help me know how much liquid to use later. After that, I turned the stove on to get my peppers kind of roasting. Since they're dry, you kind of want to draw out some of the oils. Then I added 2 cups of water and 2 cups of vinegar to each one, so equal parts of everything. And then I added a teaspoon of salt to both pots, and I added a sliced onion to my cayenne pepper mix and let those get to a boil so that those peppers can rehydrate. And I did this for about 10 or 15 minutes. I also added garlic to my cayenne pepper mixture, but the Tabasco I just wanted basic. So once it boiled for about 10 minutes, I threw it in my Vitamix for about a minute or 2 to make sure it was really nice and smooth, and then I divvied it out into containers. At this point you could use a fine mesh strainer if you want some of those like fibrous pieces out, but I like a little texture to mine. So then I did the same thing with my cayenne. I just left the Tabasco mixture in there. It wasn't going to hurt anything. And be really careful when you blend hot liquids because they can kind of splash back at you when you open the lid because of pressure, so just be careful. But here are my 2 different homemade hot sauces using the peppers from my garden. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.